Anna, I think you should talk to Otto.
Anna, please find Dr. Hartman.
Oh my God. Dr. Hartman.
Anna, what is the trouble?
Ulla is dead.
Mein Gott.
Where have you been?
I was exploring the premises.
Have you been to Ulla's room recently?
In a wheelchair? Is this some kind of joke?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean...
How did she die?
We don't know. Claudia says it may be another heart attack.
A heart attack, yes, that sounds correct.
What do you mean?
Never mind. If you have no more questions, then I would like to return to my book. Please excuse me. Anna, I would prefer to be alone.
Anna, come and have some tea near the fireplace.
On my way. Where is everyone?
It's late.
While we are alone, I want to discuss something with the two of you.
Yes?
I have been running this hotel for 25 years. I have never seen two people dying. And in 2 days. And 2 heart attacks. This is just impossible.
I agree with you, Otto. It's very unusual to say the least.
Do you believe it is possible to simulate a heart attack?
I believe it's quite possible, yes.
And who would be able to do so?
Someone with medical experience?
Exactly. Now, 2 people were missing at dinner this evening. Ulla and Dr. Hartman. We found Ulla dead in her room.
Did you find Dr. Hartman?
Yes, I did. And he acted odd. He asked me what happened to Ulla. And when I informed him of her heart attack, he murmured, "That sounds correct."
I think he is somehow involved in all of this.
I agree. But what should we do?
I have an idea. If Ulla's heart attack was brought on, then we will probably find something in her room to prove it.
We should also examine her body.
Let's go then, shall we?
Yes, we'll need a magnifying glass. Do you have one, Otto?
Oh yes, it should be somewhere in the kitchen. Anna, can you go and find it? We will wait for you in Ulla's room.
I found it.
Great! Look here. Check Ulla's neck.
I think someone injected her.
Please, let me.
See?
She was definitely killed. I'm sure about it.
By the way, do you see that liquid on the floor?
Yes?
Judging by the smell, I would guess it is some kind of acid. We need to pour some baking soda on it. You can find soda in the kitchen.
Great! I found some baking soda.
What did I tell you? This is acid. I am sure it was somehow used to kill poor Ulla.
And Professor Kinski? Do you think he was killed as well?
That's a good question, Anna.
I think we should go and examine his body.
Anna, Come and see. There are marks on Professor Kinski's neck also.
These marks.
Yes, Anna. These are the same marks we found on Ulla. Professor Kinski has also been murdered.
But why?
That is something we must find out. Let's inspect his luggage. I can't open it. It has a strange lock.
Let me try.
Have you found anything, Anna?
It is all very messy, as if someone was looking for something in a hurry.
Yes, I'm sure it has been tampered with.
And look at the coin I found. It is...
I've never seen anything like this.
Anna, could you show it to Professor Clark? He might know something about it.
What is his research interest?
Oh, Professor Clark, he's one of the brightest archaeologists of our time. He is studying the Indian occult. And if anyone knows anything about this coin, it will be him.
What do you think, Walter?
I'm pretty sure both Ulla and Professor Kinski were murdered. I just don't know why.
The killer is among us. Due to...
I agree.
So, who do you suspect?
Dr. Hartman looks suspicious to me. Think about it. When Ulla was killed, he was also missing. When we went looking for him, he wasn't in his room.
But Ulla was killed on the second floor, and Dr. Hartman could not go up the stairs in his wheelchair.
What if this is just a cover-up?
Dr. Hartman looks very suspicious. We should keep an eye on him.
I agree.
Agreed.
Good morning, Anna. Breakfast is ready.
Good morning. I'm coming. Good morning, gentlemen. Sorry for the delay.
Good morning, dear. That's perfectly all right.
Professor Clark, I have been told you study ancient Indian religions.
I am very proud to be considered an expert in my field.
Can you...
So many breakthroughs have been made in recent years, and the general public is not even aware of them. These matters are of the greatest importance. Take Vedism, for example. Do you know anything about Vedism, Anna?
To be honest, no.
Ah, you see?
And what is so important about Vedism?
Well, let me put it this way. On my last expedition to northern India and Tibet, I found something of great power. A recipe for an ancient Vedic ritual drink, which was lost for thousands of years.
And what is so exciting about the recipe?
As they say in Rig Veda, we have drunk Soma and become immortal. We have attained the light the gods discovered.
I don't understand.
Immortality! I have discovered immortality in a drink, Mr. Peterson. At least, that is what the ancient scripts claim.
And does it actually work?
I don't know yet, but a new breakthrough could change everything.
Blasphemy! I don't believe in any of these tales. They are myths and nothing else.
I am not trying to convince anyone of anything, but this might be one of the greatest discoveries of all time. Let me show you. Anna, could you please fetch me some alcohol?
Look in the cupboard, Anna. There should be some there.
All right. Great! I found some alcohol.
Ladies and gentlemen, what you're about to witness is extraordinary. Behold the beauty of Soma. Anna, pour some alcohol onto the tablet and set it on fire. But nothing has happened. Ah, yes. My memory plays games with me sometimes. We need a special Hindu coin, and I don't think I'll find it quickly.
I think I have one.
Where did you get it?
It's a long story. Should I put it there?
Please do.
Look, I think this will work. Let me try. There.
Ah, did you see that?
What is so amusing, Professor Clark?
Are we immortal?
No, no. Oh, no. I haven't yet figured out where to get all of the ingredients for Soma. But wasn't it magnificent?
Very nice, Professor. Such entertainment.
Exciting.
Thanks. Thank you.
Dr. Hartman, what do you think of Soma?
As I've already said, Otto, I don't believe in it.
Do you think it could have helped Professor Kinski and Ulla yesterday? Professor Clark, can Soma resurrect the dead?
It is hard to say, to be honest.
So now Professor Kinski and Ulla are dead. It will not help them. I see.
What do you mean, Otto?
Did they die of natural causes or were they killed?
It looks as if they both died of a heart attack.
But what do you think?
I don't know.
Dr. Hartman, where were you yesterday when Ulla was killed?
I was looking around.
Where exactly?
Is this an interrogation?
Can you answer my question?
I need to go to the bathroom. If you'll excuse me.
A most interesting individual.
Don't be so hard on him, Otto.
But why will he not tell us where he was yesterday?
Relax, Otto. His actions may be innocent, eh?
What do you mean, Fatherland?
Never mind. It's between me and Otto.
All right, meine Damen und Herren, breakfast is over. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you, Otto.
What are your plans for today, Anna?
I think I will go for a walk. I just need to get a scarf from my room.
Be careful, Anna. Dr. Hartman has been looking suspiciously at you.
I will, Otto. It is too cold outside. I need to fetch a scarf from my room. Great! I found a scarf. Is this a note? Well, this looks like a code. I believe the first word is meat. I need to decipher the rest of the message. The note says, meet me at the backyard at 11. Doctor? I wonder what he wants. Oh my, it is 11:05. I should hurry to the backyard. Dr. Hartman? Hello? This is his wheelchair, and there is blood everywhere. I can't see anything in here. I need to use my flashlight. Dr. Hartman! Walter! What are you doing here? What happened to Dr. Hartman?
That is exactly what I was going to ask you.
Is he dead?
Yes, he is. Murdered.
Did you kill him?
No!
Then why do you have a gun?
Anna, please. I know how it looks, but I swear I didn't kill him.
Then what are you doing here?
And why are you here?
Walter, the gun in your hand and the dead man with a gunshot wound means you are not in a position to demand answers from me.
Well, okay. I got a rather strange note from the doctor. After figuring out his writing, I understood he wanted to show me something here at 11. Now, your turn.
Can you show me the note?
Here.
I got exactly the same note.
I don't understand this. Is this some kind of sick joke?
I do not know. But
And that means he could not be the one who killed Professor Kinski and Ulla.
Let's go inside the cellar. Perhaps we could find something important. It is too dark in here. I need to turn on the lights. Wow, that's a lot of cigarettes.
Otto doesn't even smoke.
Look, they are the same brand as the pack I found earlier.
Let me see. Strange. That is the same brand of cigarettes.
Yes, but we need to focus on finding clues to Dr. Hartman's death.
All right, you do that, and I'll run to the hotel to check if everyone is there.
Great, I found the clock face.
We have been waiting for you, Anna. Meine Damen und Herren,
What now, Otto?
Walter, please.
I don't know how to say this, but Dr. Hartman is dead.
What? Where? How?
We found his body in the cellar.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. I want to get out of here.
Walter, how do you know he was killed?
The gunshot wounds.
His wheelchair was found nearby.
Outside the cellar?
Yes.
Was there anything else suspicious?
Well, there was something strange. A few big boxes of cigarettes.
I don't think that is relevant, Walter.
May I ask, Anna, what you were doing there?
I was supposed to meet Dr. Hartman in the cellar. But when I got... Now, please, everyone stay here. I need to go to reception and get the guest list.